Welcome to D-Tech Driver Training, your go-to community driving school right here in Blacktown. If you are launching your driving journey from scratch, or you're a parent seeking a supportive environment for your teen to learn defensive driving, you are in safe hands. Today, we are taking an in-depth look at the Blacktown Service NSW practical driving test routes. Before you even start the engine at the Blacktown Megacenter on St. Martin's Crescent, the testing officer is grading your baseline habits. To secure a pass, you must master 3 critical skills. First, the exaggerated head check. Moving your eyes is simply not enough. The examiner needs to physically see your chin move completely to your shoulder before every single turn, lane change, or divergence. Second, absolute speed control, keeping your vehicle smoothly aligned with changing zones. And third, proper signaling at roundabouts, which means always indicating left immediately before you exit. Let's look at the 3 major route sectors you are likely to face on test day. The Toongabbie Suburban Loop. We begin heading southeast toward Toongabbie. As you pull out of the Service NSW complex, you will immediately turn onto Blacktown Road, a busy multi-lane arterial road. Choose your lane early, maintain a safe 3-second following distance, and watch the traffic signals closely. The examiner will direct you to turn right onto Wall Park Avenue to connect toward the Prospect Highway. This intersection requires supreme judgment. Choose a safe gap in heavy oncoming traffic and execute a distinct blind spot head check before completing the turn. Following the track layout, you will dive deep into the residential grid of Seven Hills and Toongabbie, cutting through Liebens Lane and sweeping down onto Best Road. This section features a single-lane roundabout and multiple street transitions. Slow down on approach, give way to all vehicles already circulating on your right, and enter the roundabout cleanly. Because this is a single-lane roundabout, simply maintain your position and exit safely onto Best Road without an exit signal. From Best Road, the route hooks directly east into the tight suburban streets of Toongabbie, looping through Cornelia Road and running alongside Girrawin Creek. Watch out for oncoming traffic hidden behind parked cars on these narrow roadways. It is in this exact loop where the examiner will typically test your maneuvers. Be fully prepared to perform a flawless 3-point turn or a smooth curbside stop. Always check your mirrors and blind spots before your car moves a single inch, keeping a close eye on the transitions back toward the main connectors. The Seven Hills and multi-lane Gauntlet. Route 2 pushes your defensive habits further by testing your high-speed adaptability and lane merging through Seven Hills. Leaving St. Martin's Crescent, you may be directed onto the Prospect Highway, where speed limits can fluctuate between 60 and 70 km per hour. When the examiner says, "When safe, change into the right lane," do not panic and do not slow down. Apply your sequence immediately. Check your center mirror. Check your side mirror. Indicate for a full 5 seconds. Do a sharp head check over your shoulder, and smoothly glide over into the new lane. As you exit onto residential connectors like Liebens Lane or Cornelia Road, you enter a high-hazard sector. Blacktown test routes are heavily saturated with school zones. If your test falls between school hours, you must instantly drop your speed to a maximum of 40 km per hour. Missing a single school zone sign is the #1 reason for automatic test failure in this entire area. In the residential backstreets of Seven Hills, expect to demonstrate your reverse parallel park. You have exactly 2 minutes and no more than 4 vehicle movements to park parallel, keeping your car safely within 30 centimeters of the curb. Take your time. Check your surroundings constantly, Look out your back window while reversing, and do not let your tires scrape the gutter. The Blacktown City Center Hub. Route 3 drops you directly into the high-hazard commercial hub of the Blacktown CBD. Traveling down Main Street or Flushcombe Road, the environment shifts instantly. You are now in a strict 40 km/h high pedestrian zone surrounding West Point Shopping Center and the railway station. Keep your foot hovering over the brake pedal knee crossings. Pedestrians here step off the curb unexpectedly, and the examiner is looking closely to ensure your eyes are actively scanning the footpaths on both sides of the road. This central grid, especially around Campbell Street and Newton Road, is also notorious for stop signs. Rolling through a stop sign at even 2 km/h is an instant, automatic fail. Your tires must come to a complete, dead stop behind the solid white line. Stop completely, count to 3 in your head, check left, check right, complete a final blind spot check, and only then proceed forward. Finally, you will navigate back to the testing center via major dual carriageways like Sunnyholt Road. Sunnyholt requires flawless lane discipline, safe following distances, and smooth acceleration as you merge with heavy commercial traffic. Reaching the finish line. Remember, your test isn't over until the vehicle is completely switched off. Drive back into the dedicated service NSW parking bays at the Megacenter, secure the handbrake, shift into park, and turn off the engine. If you want to practice these exact Blacktown intersections, live in our dual-control vehicles with local, expert instructors, head over to dtechdrivertraining.com.au and let's book your test day package. Ready to jump in the driver's seat? Check out our affordable lesson packages below. And remember, D-Tech is the best in the West.